Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to help you understand and determine whether you have a real pair or a fake pair of Apple AirPod Max headphones. So the first obvious way to determine whether you have real or fake, which these ones, the blue ones are real and the gray ones are fake. The first way that you can determine whether they are fake or not is if you take the ear pads off. You're going to notice that on the real pair, I have these two little pinholes, which these two little pinholes will help you detach the headband from the housings, and on the fake pair, they do not come with those. The only way you can take off the headband is by removing these 4 screws and taking off the housing to push the pins in manually. So that's a good indicator that you have a fake pair of headphones. And another way that you can determine is when you hold the fake pair, they feel plastic. The real ones are more metal, and with these you can tell that they're fake just by the way they feel and kind of sound. If I take these and I just kind of clink them together, and then I take the real ones, you can tell that this is metal on metal, plastic on plastic. Another way to determine is just simply the buttons. On the fake pair, the buttons are always very loose and they're plastic. And the one thing that is different from fake and real is on the fake ones, you will hear the button click every time you press it. And on this one as well. And when you kind of twist and adjust the swivel for volume, you can hear that. On the real ones, it should be pretty silent. You shouldn't be able to hear anything. So for example, when I start pressing the button, smooth like butter. You can't even hear it. You can't even feel the fact that you're twisting this. On the fake ones, you can feel it. It's kind of like there's a resistance to it. And another good indication is for the headband. With the real ones, they are not flexible whatsoever. It's pretty stiff up there. And on the fake ones, you can kind of almost bend them in together. Like I'm applying the same amount of pressure, force, and you can tell that on the real ones it's not budging. On the fake ones you can almost bend it all the way. Another way that you can determine is simply from just how the ear pads sit. On the real ones, ear pads, they sit on there pretty snug. They get magnetized really well. I can literally pick up the earphones just by the ear pad. You can't do that on the fake ones. On the fake ones, if you try to do that, the ear pad will literally come right off. And those are just a few ways that you can tell whether you have a real or a fake Apple AirPod Max headphones. Also, if you need help determining whether you have a real pair or a fake pair, you could always contact us and we would be more than happy to help you.